When water drips from a shower head, it could be a bad seal, hard water buildup, or even could be the shower faucet. In most cases, inner seals are worn, or parts have become corroded or clogged with hard water deposits. And the rubber O-rings and gaskets that seal connections between moving metal parts wear down with time and use. This maintenance is easy, unless you don't turn off the water to the house before you start. Then it becomes an expert mode race to the water shutoff valve. Make sure you do that. Once you've got the shower head off, inspect it. Does it look clean? Are there any broken seals? Does it look like there might be any missing seals? From here, you can clean it. Tape up the connection with plumber's tape and reattach that bad boy. Turn on the water back to the house and give that handle a turn. Did it work? If not, might be time for a new shower head. That's all for now, but hey, thank you for watching this video. I deeply appreciate it. Check out our next one, where we look at fixing your broken siding. We'll see you then.